Hello, my name is Lenny Mellon, Mellin, with Guaranty RV Centers. I'd like to introduce you to a 2020 Nash 17K. 17K is the smallest trailer in their lineup they make. It's a nice, great floor plan. On the outside, we've got in the rear here, we've got a little generator compartment, so if you want to install a little small generator, you could. Bumper that you can put your bike rack on and hold your bikes. It's also got a spare car cover, and it's got a nice ladder on the back too. Satellite ready, outside shower, hot and cold water, solar ready. It's got password storage up front here. You got nice battery rack for your two big batteries. Nice power tongue jack up front with two big propane tanks. Got a nice light up front here, so at night, or if you're unhooking or hooking, you can see what you're doing. It's got an aluminum rock guard up front that protects from all the rocks and stuff that might fly out. On the side here, going into the trailer, you've got a big power awning, two big speakers for listening to your stereo outside. You've got a nice big scare light too up there that will light up the side of your trailer. These are all four-season coaches built right in the Grand Oregon. What I mean by 4 seasons, you live in all 4 seasons, use them in all 4 seasons. This is a unique floor plan. You go in the rear here, you got a big booth. I mean, big. You got one couch that's a lot longer than the other one, so you've got ample space for sitting people. Also, that folds down to a bed. Big back window, day-night shades. Big closet next to the refrigerator for storing everything. It's got ample counter space in the kitchen, two big deep sinks, 3-burner stove with a hood, a knife rack in the back with a backsplash, 22-inch oven. Of course, comes with a microwave also, 13.5 BTU air conditioning, which is ducted from the front of the trailer to the back of the trailer. Up front here, you got a queen up against the wall bed with a nightstand and some closet area on one side, and then you got two big doors up here to store stuff in above the bed. You got ample lighting all the way through the coach, so it's going to keep you lighted during the night. And you got speakers all the way through the coach so you can listen to your nice music. The bathroom is directly across from the oven. It's a full bath, toilet, big sink, big shower, medicine cabinet with mirror. Very, very nice. Again, my name is Lenny Mellon from Guaranty RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. Best way to get a hold of me is 541-228-4584. And just remember, ask for the melon. Thank you.